Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. Today we will discuss about one topic. The topic is about how can one's health be best improved before things get worse. So, okay. First, in my opinion, uh, the best way someone can improve their health is managing stress. Because the foundation of our health start in our mind. Okay. You can eat all the broccoli in the world. Broccoli, that's green. But if you constantly overwhelmed with work, assignment, and many things, it can affect our body and can getting worse. Next, uh, also when we are under constant pressure, whether it's from exam work or anything lah, our bodies will release one hormone. The hormone is called cortisol. Okay. Cortisol. If cortisol level getting high in our body for too long, it can weaken our immune system body. So we can getting lazy. We don't want to go school. We don't want to make anything. We just lazy in the bed, sleeping. So the best way to improve health through stress management is finding small and daily routines. Like we can go to walk, brisk walk, we can jogging, we can riding bicycle. Also, for some nervous system, uh, we can do some breathing technique. We can do deep breathing in 5 seconds, and then we release it. Uh, let's we can also taking a break from social media because social media can give many bad effect to our body. Uh, because in this day, people like to play with social media for 24 hours non-stop. So it can bad effect to our body and health. Lastly, by keeping our stress in check, uh, we are actually protecting our heart and giving our body a better chance to get healthy. So what's your opinion, Husna, about my opinion?
I understand your point, Iza, but in my opinion, one of the best thing to improve one's health is through exercise because it benefits both our mind and body. When we exercise regularly, our muscles and bones become stronger, and our heart pumps blood more efficiently, which improves circulation and allows more oxygen to reach the body, making us feel more energetic and reduce the risk of illnesses like diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. Besides physical health, exercise is also very important for our mental and emotional well-being. It is because it can help us reduce our stress and improve our mood through the release of endorphins, which make us more happier and more relaxed. Okay. In addition, exercise can also improve our focus and productivity. For students, exercise can make them more concentrate during class, and for adults, exercise can make them perform their work more effectively. Okay, so therefore, even simple activities like walking, jogging, or stretching um, can make a very big difference, and making exercise as a regular habit is one of the best ways to improve our overall health. That is my opinion.
Yes, I agree. Exercise is very important to improve our healthy. Um, However, I strongly believe that getting enough rest is very important. It is because it can help our body to recover and recharge after a long day. This can help us feel fresh and active and feel energetic the next day. After that, getting enough rest is very important for our mental healthy. It is because if we do not get enough sleep, we can feel tired and stressed and easily agree. We can have the enough rest. We can think clearly and focus better and can feel more confident, especially in the school. After that, I think getting enough rest is very important. It's because it can strengthen for our immune system. When our body have the enough sleep, our body becomes stronger and can fight illnesses of flu and fever. This can help us feel stay healthy and avoid getting sick easily. Lastly, I think getting enough rest is very important. It is because it can help to improve quality of life. For example, when we enough rest, we can feel more motivated and positive, and we can ready to do daily activity. After that, for example, I usually sleep enough sleep. I can wake up early. I can concentrate better in the class and I can make finish my homework on time. Therefore, I think enough rest is very important. What about you, Huda?
Okay, I totally agree with you, Suhada. But from my point of view, I think one of the most important habits for keeping good health is seeing the doctors regularly, because regular checkups play a crucial role in helping us stay healthy even when we feel fine. Seeing a doctor regularly allows health problems to be detected early. Um, okay, sometimes illnesses do not show early symptoms at the beginning, and with regular checkups, doctors can identify health problems and give proper treatments. Okay, for example, conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure um, may not cause pain at first, but it can become dangerous if left untreated. So it is important to see the doctors regularly. And I want to add, regular checkups also give us apa? Okay. Regular checkups also give us opportunity to receive professional advice on our lifestyle. Okay, doctors can guide us on stress management, exercise, or proper nutrition. Apa? Okay, okay, doctors can guide us on proper nutrition, exercise, stress management, and other healthy habits based on our individual health condition. In conclusion, regular medical checkups are not only important when we are sick, but also when we want to stay healthy. So, what about your opinion, Mastura? Do you believe regular doctor visits should be a routine for everyone, or do you have another opinion?
That's true, Huda. With regular checkups, we can avoid bigger health problems in the future. While I agree with you, I think diet is one of the most important factors in improving one's health. Eating a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins such as fish, chicken, eggs, or beans helps the body to get the nutrient it needs. Vegetables and fruits provide vitamins and fiber, while protein helps build and repair muscles. Besides that, we should also reduce the intake of fast food, sugary drinks, and snacks that are high in fat, salt, and sugar because they can increase the risk of obesity, diabetes, as well as heart disease. In addition, drinking enough water and controlling portion sizes can help improve digestion and maintain a healthy weight. By practicing healthy eating habits every day, we can improve our energy levels and overall quality of life. How about you, Fakir? What do you think?
Okay, thank you for the opinion, Mastura. Okay, after heard all of our friends' opinion, I have my own opinion too. So another way that we conclude in this discussion of topic, this topic discussion is we can stay connected. What we can say about stay connected? Stay connected is not about we always connected in social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, or TikTok. But stay connected, it means we always see or we will always chat with our friends in real life, friends, family, or any person around us. So what we can get from stay connected? When we stay connected, we will always talk to our friends or family. So we will always can express our emotion or need any emotion support from our family or friends. So what we can get more? Friends and family can motivate us to always check with doctor regularly, have a good diet. What else? We can manage our stress. Well, when our family always motivated us. So I think when we stay connected, it will help us more to improve our health. I hope when we see our family or friends, don't ignore them. Chat with them and always ask about their life routine, how's today, and how's your job today. Just ask anything to make the relationship always good, and they will always help us when we need when we ask them to help us. So I think that's a point that I can share here. But I will share too the best ways I hear today. Because I think my opinion isn't the best. So I think the best way to improve our health is get enough rest. Because I think enough rest is the easier thing to do. I think anyone can do it. Because it will no need to spend any money. Just find a place, a nice place or a tidy place to rest. You can sit down, you can just find a bed to sleep, just like that, then you can get in a rest. So I think that's the best thing we can do. We can apply and we can share it with our friends or family to get in a rest. With in a rest, it come a best help. Then we can do our job, our life routine easily and clearly. So I think that's all for our discussion. I hope anyone who hear this good discussion, our topic, can apply what we have discussed, and we wish all of us will have a good health uh, any day.
So, how can one help be best improved? So,
Watch this video.